Hi, it's Valerie from Valerie's Handmade Gifts again. I'm here with my technical expert, Heather Forgans, who is going to jump in if anything goes wrong. So I'm just going to turn you round and we'll get on with this flipping card that I've been trying to show you. Hang on tight. There we go. Okay.
I'm not finding you live.
Right, we're fine. We had a little delay, but we're okay now. So this is the card that I've been trying to show you. Christmas card. It was designed by an American lady that I saw earlier on in the week, and I just thought that I would do my spin on it. So we're going to use different colours this time. So the colours that we're going to use are the shaded spruce. We are going to use the Plaid Tidings, the 6x6 series paper, and we're going to use this one, and we have cut some white paper. One will go inside and the other one will go on the top. Now we're using a couple of stamp sets. We're going to use the celebration tidings, which come with these lovely dies. We're going to use the second largest one. We'll just pop that there just now, and we're going to use this Merry Christmas stamp. And we are also going to use the pine wood dies. It comes with a stamp set, which is this one, but I'm not going to stamp anything from this. I'm just going to use this Christmas tree here, if I can get it off. No, we'll go with this one. There we go. So, ahead of today, because I've had plenty of time to do it, I've coloured in one of these stars for the top of the tree, and I used my Stampin' blend to do that. So we'll just put that one to the side at the moment, and I'm going to bring in my big shot and we'll just run that through. So we'll do them both at the same time. We'll put this on, and then we'll put the tree in the middle. So I'm just going to run it through, and then I'm going to run it back. There we go. Move this out of the way. Put that bit to the side, and then we'll just poke these bits out. Well, I hope you've all had a better day than me. This has been stressing me out, but I think hopefully we've got there in the end. You can probably tell it's my first live. It may be my last, but I may give it another shot. We'll see. So, here's our card base, and we're going to put this on top. So I'll just take the Stampin' seal and we'll just run this over. Sometimes you just need to start it off a little bit. And we'll just go all the way round. There we go. And we'll just try and place this on like this. Now we're going to do a little bit of heat embossing on the bottom here. So I've already mounted the Merry Christmas. We'll take our Versamark and we'll get that covered as much as possible. I'll just use my Stampin' Buddy just to make sure I don't have any greasy finger marks. There's every possibility there is. And we'll just pop this on like that. There we go. And we're going to use the gold embossing powder. We'll just pop this in. Make sure it's nicely covered. A tap. There we go. Put the lid on or it all goes flying. Heat up my heat tool. Like so, and this is just going to sit on top. So again, we'll just use the Stampin' Seal and just go around the edges. Like this, and we'll just pop this on. We'll take our star, pop it on the top, like that. And then we'll take this other extra bit, we'll take the shaded spruce ink pad, and I've got one of the little trees, so we'll just ink that up. Pop it on. There we go. And then we'll just put this on the inside. There we go. Very quick, very effective. I hope you'd enjoyed it. Thanks very much. Bye.